fast sketching. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes total. Hey guys, so welcome to the designsketchbook.com, and today we draw sneakers. So as you can see here, we are drawing a sneaker super fast. And what I would like you to remember is that these first steps, 1, 2, 3, the ground line, the shoelace, and the upper design is done just in a few first seconds. And then you can spend more time to draw details. As you can see here, I gave myself just 2 minutes to complete that sneakers, and I'm already almost done, because most of it is done within the 30 seconds. And now I carry on with the outsole, but I like to make it like sci-fi, like I'm going a bit crazy, going a bit something that pretty concept, and I add some spikes below the outsole to give it more textures, more depth to the design. As you can see here, actually what I draw is, in terms of creativity, is to draw along the way. I haven't planned everything in advance. I just figure it out along the line that I draw. So I added some hatching for the swoosh to give it some more contrast, and that's pretty much it. So I add my signature right here, the design sketchbook, and it's pretty much almost done. So the first one, ground line, second shoelace, upper design, detail, Nike swoosh, also hatching and signature. And when we are done right here, I like to spend some time to refine. And this is where I give it some extra time, but it's pretty relaxed, chill. The most difficult part has been done, is behind us. So for the refine, it's just like trying to add a bit of hatching, trying to add a bit of clarity, trying to see where I can add some little bit of pieces that are missing, and so on. And this is what actually you can accomplish in just 2 minutes. And imagine after a session of 1 hour, all you can do. And that's it. 3, 2, 1, 0. Victory! Alright, so now is your turn. Try to go through all these steps and try to complete within 2 minutes. Remember to start with the shoelace, going from general to details. So if you want to get the 37 secrets of the sneaker designer, I invite you to get the free books, and the link is in the description below. Alright, see you in the next video.
Site your name.
Here is my website,
Ah,
the design sketchbook, but I write very bad.
okay. I understand.
Same.